How to transfer money from Bitget to Bitget on PC. So money, it's not mean that you can like transfer your local currency to your Bitget account. So in this case, we will transfer the crypto that we have funds on our Bitget accounts, and after we receive it to that another Bitget, we can transfer it to money, or we can withdraw it to money to our bank. So how to do that? Now, first of all, open your Bitget account that you want to transfer from and head over to wallet and click on withdraw. Now after that, as you can see here in the select a coin, now you can select the coin that you want to transfer. I prefer to select the USDT because it's easy to withdraw it to money to your bank account after you receive it on your Bitget account. Now after that, click on internal transfer because we want to transfer it to another Bitget account. So if you have the email of that Bitget account, you can provide it here. If you have the phone number, you can provide it here. If you have the UID, you can provide it here too. So after you select which option that you want, or which information of that Bitget account that you have, you can provide it here. Now after that, click on next, and you can type how much you want to transfer. Now after that, in a few seconds or a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token to your Bitget, and you can withdraw it to money to your Bitget to bank account. So this is how to transfer money from Bitget to Bitget on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.